When a Los Angeles, California homeowner called, Kardo Locksmith was always ready for the challenge. This client wanted to improve their security and get the most out of their locking system. After hearing about the benefits of electronic door locks, the client knew this Defiant keypad deadbolt lock was the best choice. The installation was easy. This digital door lock fitted perfectly into the previous borehole, so no further door preparation was needed. After a few small adjustments, our locksmith had it working without delay. The client was very happy with how quickly and safely the job was done and thanked us a lot before leaving. Our residential locksmith team could not be happier to help them upgrade their security and prove that safety is our top priority. Are you looking for a reliable, secure way to protect your home or business? Your search is over. Kardo Locksmith offers a premium electronic door lock solution that provides both convenience and security. Our keyless entry door lock is designed with cutting-edge technology, so you can trust that your home or business is well protected. Our digital door locks include auto-locking, remote access, tamper alarms, and more. With the convenience of keyless entry and programmable access codes, you will never have to worry about lost or stolen keys again. Call us now at 323-999-2036 or visit www.kardolocksmith.com for free estimates.